Right, we have a female Budgie to introduce to our Pistachio. He's gonna be shocked. Can you hear her? He's a bit nervous.
Yeah.
He was asleep, that's why.
Aw. Now put the cage down.
Right. You're gonna put him in there?
Which cage should we put? Pistachio in hers or?
Yeah, I think we'll use this cage. This is a better cage.
Don't we grab them?
Grab him?
Say if you want to. You accidentally, he won't go in your finger, you gotta actually grab him.
Oh.
And then close the door straight off.
Right. Here you go.
Close the door, babe. Hey. Aww.
He's like, why didn't you say so?
Oh, so cute. Hey.
They're talking to each other.
He's still a bit nervous, but she's got
He's
she's got courage. She was living with another female, so this is first male she's seen. Her friend died. Look, she's like he's scared.
You should put that song over the video from Tarzan. Like him and Jane are like. Oh.
Nope.
Oh.
Ah, look, they're kissing. Uh-oh. Like, that's too soon.
Okay.
He's got courage now.
Aww.
He's like, stop it. Okay, let's do it again. She bites him, then she continues. It's a French kiss now.
That's so funny.
She's playing hard to get when she was the one that got
Oh my
close to
God.
her.
Me is that.
Alright, time for bed. I'm gonna fill up the water.
Yeah.
Continue filming.
How sure are you that this shelf can hold them? Can hold the vertical?
It's
No. I don't know, man. It looks like it's bending.
It looks like yes.
No, it can hold.
It already fell once, Dad.
So like if it falls with the birds, that's so sad.
Right. I think this one needs I'm gonna clean this up, but probably tomorrow.
Good time.
We'll put their toys over.
Oh yeah.
The toys in the millet.
And the other stuff from there.
This one's a bigger cage, I think.
He used to love the mirror because he was lonely.
Yeah.
Like this. She's blue. She's so cute.
She's blue and green.
Look at the feathers on his head. It looks like he's still like. How old is the bird? How old is Budgie?
I don't know.
He's an adult.
Why is he still getting his feathers?
No, he's molting.
You want to meter?
They're called pink feathers.
I to put the mirror here. Okay. You can fix herself on the mirror. This off. It's got a thingy underneath it.
Oh, this one together.
Downfall.
Dude, this shelf is not stable.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. I literally
Nada.
saw it.
It's got like screws. I mean, you know, they're sticking in there. Right. Good night, birdies. Sleep tight.
Yeah.
Yeah.